All right, what's up, house fans? It's me, Packy, and today we got another tournament, day 2 of the Joma Challenge tournament that we had at North Rock. This time it is the eliminator style format, low man drop on your pair. So I'm only going to be bowling against the bowlers on my pair today. Low man drop, and then eventually when there's only one person on your pair, you bowl the people on the other pairs and low man drop. So hopefully a long day, could be very short. Hoping to survive a couple games at least, make it a little deeper into the tournament, and I'm gonna have fun regardless of what happens unless I lose. Then it won't be fun. So after practice, you saw me warm up. I took some videos of the Obsession Tour Pearl and the Raw Hammer. Neither of those balls look good in practice, so I think I'm gonna go with the Strata Hybrid. I can open up the lane just a little more, maybe create some miss room in. Didn't look like many of my balls had some miss room in. On the low end, I could use those Obsession Tour Pearl, as you saw the video from yesterday. I threw that Obsession Tour Pearl the entire 3-game block, looked amazing, 766, and maybe could have switched balls at the very end. But I think I'm gonna have to start out with something a little smoother, open up the angle a little more, and create some miss room in, because it just felt like every shot I missed in, they were hooking. Hopefully that works. I'll see you guys at the end of game 1, and hopefully that there is a game 2, because today, single elimination, low man drop. Game 1, I shot 236, maybe, yeah, 230 something. High enough to advance through that first game with the 230. Yeah, I had to switch balls halfway through the game. I went with that Strata Hybrid, I played a little deeper angle, and it just it wasn't it. The big asymmetric ball, again, when I missed in, 6 pinned. When I missed left, didn't quite have the energy to come back, and it 7 pinned. You know, I'm struggling on this pair a little bit the first game, but the back half of the game, I switched to a Web Tour hybrid, and I think it looked really good. I say I moved. I didn't move. I just kind of stood where I was, sped up a little bit, got my hand around it, and with the symmetrical ball, it was cleaner through the front part of the lane, kicked that 7 out when I missed a little left, and created, you know, almost like a trip 6, or at least gave me some miss room in. Survived, but I know with only Jared and Cooper on my pair now, yeah, I think I'm just gonna need to bowl a good game here. So hopefully I can bowl, you know, a 250 or 60 here, throw some better shots. Well, hopefully I shoot 300, but 250 or 60 would be nice. I think that'll be good enough to advance. So I'll catch you guys at the end of game 2, hopefully in a good mood again. Through 2 games, I shot 268 that game, which was enough for me to advance. I missed, you know, probably in the 3rd frame, strung him to the 2nd ball in the 10th. Not my best shot, the 2nd one in the 10th, but it was enough to advance. I thought it wasn't gonna be enough, honestly. And then Cooper got 5 on the fill to shoot like 264 or 261, or I think it was 264. And Jared, 710 the first ball in the 10th, to put himself at 250 or he messengered the 10, so he spared the 7 pin, and yeah, shot 250, so a really high scoring game for the pair. I know I'm gonna need another big game, probably 250 or 260 to advance. I get to bowl Cooper now, who has very good ball reaction. He's created a lot of area on the lane. I gotta bowl well. Hopefully I can put one more game up, and then I can bowl against the rest of the guys and hopefully get a chance to bowl for the win. So we will, I'll see you guys at the end of game 3. Hopefully, once again, in a good mood. well. I had a chance going into the 9th and 10th to strike out and win. I was in position. And I threw a really good shot in the 9th frame, maybe just a touch forward, and my ball just wrapped 7. So I shot 258. Cooper got a couple sticks. I think he ended up shooting like 263 with his handicap, 259, but he didn't have to make a spare or anything. I didn't quite apply the pressure that I should have. Shout out to Cooper for bowling really well. Shout out to the kid I coach for winning the division, Cole Munley. So he bowled awesome today, which was super cool for him. Awesome to see these young kids bowling really well. Whether the tournament's small, big, PBA, not a PBA, whatever it is, it's awesome to see these kids that you coach and you help out excel and beat you in a tournament. It's not exciting when they beat you, but it's exciting to watch them bowl well. All right, so that's a wrap for me for the Joma Challenge tournament. I finished like 7th, I think, in my division out of 100 and something entries, I believe, 60 bowlers, but obviously bowlers can enter multiple times since there's multiple squads. Follow along if you guys want to see more videos like this, more vlogs, ball videos, all that stuff. Follow along, hit the subscribe button down below, and until then, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.